Solana just opened August trading in a tight range above $165, and while that may seem calm on the surface, things are heating up beneath the charts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Solana's current setup, and why some analysts believe a breakout could be closer than it seems. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. So what's happening with SOL right now? After a strong rally earlier this year, Solana has settled into a consolidation zone between $160 and $166. But this isn't just random price action. That range is sitting right on top of a critical support area. That includes the 200-day EMA, a key trend line, and what analysts are calling a golden cross, a bullish technical signal where the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day. If this zone holds, we could be looking at a move toward the first resistance at $189. From there, targets of $206 and even $256 are in play. That would represent a nearly 60% gain from current levels. But it's not all bullish momentum just yet. Indicators like the MACD histogram are still negative, meaning bears haven't fully let go. Momentum needs to shift, and trading volume at resistance will be crucial. One catalyst for a potential breakout? The global launch of the Seeker phone? Solana Mobile's second-generation Web3 smartphone is now shipping to over 50 countries. This device integrates Web3 features with familiar smartphone UX, while keeping private keys and seed phrases stored at the hardware level. That's a major development, especially for developers looking to build secure apps on Solana. With more utility and ecosystem growth, the fundamentals are evolving, not just the price. Now let's talk short-term outlook. Recent data shows that SOL has seen 16 green days out of the last 30, with relatively low volatility at just under 8%. Sentiment is neutral, and the Fear and Greed Index sits right in the middle at 50. If SOL can stay above $166, the next stop could be $173 by early September, a modest 5% gain. But if it loses that key support, things could get ugly fast, with some analysts warning of a drop to $58. Right now, we're trading just above $163, following a 3.3% decline over the last 24 hours. That puts SOL right back in the middle of its $140 to $180 range, a range it's been stuck in since breaking out in April and May. According to analyst Ali Martinez, the $165 level is especially critical. It represents the biggest supply cluster with over 44 million SOL held in that zone. Lose it, and that support could flip into resistance. Meanwhile, analyst Crypto Gel remains bullish. He sees higher lows and support flips that point to an incoming rally, possibly even to a new all-time high this quarter. If Solana can finally push through the $200 resistance, others like Crypto Batman and Ted Pillows expect one more correction first. They're watching the ascending support line around $150, which has already sparked two big rallies this year. A 10% dip from current levels could be the launchpad for Solana's real move. So what's next? It all comes down to how SOL handles this $160-$166 zone. Hold and break $189 with strong volume, and we could be looking at $206, maybe even $256. But fail to hold, and we may need to brace for another test of the lows. And if you're looking to join the momentum early, don't forget that the link to the hottest crypto pre-sales is in the video description below. Also, make sure to store your tokens safely. Use Best Wallet, the secure, non-custodial, KYC-free multi-chain wallet that's available right now on both the App Store and Google Play.